video, we will see the list of high courts in India as of the year 2020. This list is in chronological order of establishment of these high courts. Now we will see the name of the high court, year of its establishment, its jurisdiction, principal seat and special feature of the high court, if any, etc. 1. Calcutta High Court, the first High Court of India. Calcutta High Court was established in the year 1862 and its jurisdiction is West Bengal state and the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Principal seat of Calcutta High Court is Kolkata. As I told, Calcutta High Court is the first High Court of India. 2. Bombay High Court. Bombay High Court was established in the year 1862. Jurisdiction of Bombay High Court is Maharashtra and Goa states and Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu Union Territories. Principal seat of Bombay High Court is Mumbai. Bombay High Court is located in one of the two Indian High Courts located in a World Heritage Site. This World Heritage Site is identified by UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. 3. Madras High Court. Madras High Court was established in the year 1862. Jurisdiction of Madras High Court is Tamil Nadu State and Puducherry Union Territory. Principal seat of Madras High Court is Chennai. 4. Allahabad High Court. Allahabad High Court was established in the year 1866. Jurisdiction is Uttar Pradesh State and principal seat of Allahabad High Court is Prayagraj. 5. Karnataka High Court. Karnataka High Court was established in the year 1884. Jurisdiction of Karnataka High Court is Karnataka State and its principal seat is Bangalore. 6. Patna High Court. Patna High Court was established in the year 1916. Jurisdiction of Patna High Court is Bihar and principal seat of Patna High Court is Patna. 7. Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Jammu and Kashmir High Court was established in the year 1928. Jurisdiction of Jammu and Kashmir High Court is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh Union Territories. Principal seat of Jammu and Kashmir High Court is Srinagar and Jammu. Then number 8. Madhya Pradesh High Court. Madhya Pradesh High Court was established in the year 1936. Jurisdiction of Madhya Pradesh High Court is Madhya Pradesh. Principal seat of Madhya Pradesh High Court is Jabalpur. 9. Punjab and Haryana High Court. Punjab and Haryana High Court was established in the year 1947. Jurisdiction of Punjab and Haryana High Court is Punjab and Haryana states and Union Territory of Chandigarh. Principal seat of Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana High Court is Chandigarh. Punjab and Haryana High Court is one of the two Indian high courts located in World Heritage Sites. World Heritage Site, as I told earlier, is identified by UNESCO. 10. Guwahati High Court. Guwahati High Court. Guwahati High Court was established in the year 1948. Guwahati High Court's jurisdiction is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Nagaland states. Guwahati High Court's principal seat is Guwahati. 11. Orissa High Court. Orissa High Court was established in the year 1948. Jurisdiction of Orissa High Court is Odisha state, and the principal seat of Odisha High Court is Cuttack. 12. Rajasthan High Court. Rajasthan High Court was established in the year 1949. Jurisdiction of Rajasthan High Court is Rajasthan state, and principal seat of Rajasthan High Court is Jodhpur. 13. Kerala High Court. Kerala High Court was established in the year 1956. Jurisdiction of Kerala High Court is Kerala state and Lakshadweep Union Territory. Principal seat of Kerala High Court is Kochi. 14. Gujarat High Court. Gujarat High Court was established in the year 1960. Jurisdiction of Gujarat High Court is Gujarat. Principal seat of Gujarat High Court is Ahmedabad. 15. Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court was established in the year 1966. Jurisdiction of Delhi High Court is National Capital Territory of Delhi. Principal seat of Delhi High Court is New Delhi. 16. Himachal Pradesh High Court. Himachal Pradesh High Court was established in the year 1971. Jurisdiction of Himachal Pradesh High Court is Himachal Pradesh state. Principal seat of Himachal Pradesh High Court is Shimla. 17. Sikkim High Court. Sikkim High Court was established in the year 1975. Jurisdiction of Sikkim High Court is Sikkim state. Principal seat of Sikkim High Court is Gangtok. 18. Chhattisgarh High Court was established in the year 2000. Jurisdiction of this court is Chhattisgarh state, and the principal seat of Chhattisgarh High Court is Bilaspur. 19. Uttarakhand High Court. Uttarakhand High Court was established in the year 2000. Uttarakhand High Court's jurisdiction is Uttarakhand state. Its principal seat is Nainital. 20. Jharkhand High Court. Jharkhand High Court was established in the year 2000. Jurisdiction of Jharkhand High Court is Jharkhand state. Principal seat of Jharkhand High Court is Ranchi. 21. Meghalaya High Court. Meghalaya High Court was established in the year 2013. Jurisdiction of Meghalaya High Court is Meghalaya state. Principal seat of Meghalaya High Court is Shillong. 22. Manipur High Court. Manipur High Court was established in the year 2013. Jurisdiction of Manipur High Court is Manipur state, and the principal seat of Manipur High Court is Impal. 23. Tripura High Court. Tripura High Court was established in the year 2013. Jurisdiction of this court is Tripura state, and principal seat of Tripura High Court is Agartala. 24. Andhra Pradesh High Court. Andhra Pradesh High Court was established in the year 2019. Jurisdiction of Andhra Pradesh High Court is Andhra Pradesh state. Principal seat of this High Court is Amaravati. Amaravati is the new location where High Court was opened in 2019. 25. Telangana High Court was established in the year 2019. Jurisdiction of this High Court is Telangana state. Principal seat of Telangana High Court is Hyderabad. Telangana High Court is the last High Court opened in 2019. Now we have seen the details of all the 25 High Courts of India. I hope it will be useful for those who are preparing for competitive examinations like UPSC, bank exams, etc. If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and also kindly don't forget to subscribe our video. To receive videos on current affairs, general awareness, etc., kindly press the notification bell symbol. Thanks for watching. Thanks.